Welcome back. The 11th Monte Music Festival 2013 will be held from 1st till 3rd February. The 3-day music festival is organized by the Fundação Orient in coordination with Cidade de Goa. The festival will be held at Mount Chapel in Old Goa. Festival is a fusion of Western and Indian music.
Monte Music Festival is set to devour the music lovers with its fusion of Indian and Western tunes. The 3-day festival would promote local artists of Goa with Kathak recitals from eminent dancers from Delhi. The festival is set to wave the tunes of classical music too.
To do the best program for the music lovers and combining Western and Indian music. You already know about more or less about the scope that it has been organized. We'll have several stages, including the chapel, who has wonderful acoustic conditions.
The festival will be held from 1st till 3rd of February at the Chapel of Our Lady of Mount in Old Goa.
A cultural, musical and an art promotion such as Monte music. Music runs in the veins of Cidade de Goa and the promoters of Cidade de Goa, and we will always stand up for a cause like this, and the endeavor is to make this festival an international event on the calendar of music festivals.
Artists from all over India and far-off countries would gather to celebrate heritage and music in Goa. A senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
And now look at the other events in the state.
10th WeCare Film Festival commenced on Monday at Kala Academy in Panaji. The film festival is been held at Ravindra Bhavan, Madgaon on 22nd and 23rd January. Festival aims in encouraging and bringing out the talent of differently abled persons.
It has to be dealt with on the psychological plane as well, which calls for mass education and awareness. We need to develop a sustainable and effective disability management strategy in order to deal with this issue effectively.
God wants us to be God. He wants human beings to be gods themselves and realize the divinity within them to help out all these people.
An illegal mobile tower was dismantled at Baina, Vasco. The residents in the locality had complained of harmful radiations from the tower.
The residents of this area do not want this tower to be there. So we issued notice, we followed the procedure, we asked the persons who did a company that put up this tower. They did not come. Finally we issued the final notice and we are now dismantling it.
Fire and Emergency Department had an evacuation mock drill in 14 schools across the state. Initiative is to equip teachers and students with safety measures during any eventuality.
In case of any fire emergency, that the management and the school first evacuates the children to safety. That is our first objective. And second is to train them how to do the evacuation drill procedures. And if there is a minor fire, how to combat that before the fire service reaches the place of incident.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Now news from sports. Sports Department's Vision 2020 has plans of developing Goa through the field of sports. The government is keen to provide physical education even in primary schools, says Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar. In keeping with the aim of rural development, Sports Department provided 74 schools from Kepe Taluka with sport kits on Monday.
GPS फाटल्या 7-8 महिन्याच्या कालावधीत सगळ्या म्हणजे अधिकारी बाकी सगळ्यांनी युद्ध पातळीवर काम करून जवळजवळ 240 कोटीची टेंडर काम काढून काम प्रत्यक्ष सुरू झाले आसा. आज जर आमी फातोर्डा आमच्या सगळे केले जाता ते रिनोव्हेशन काम जवळजवळ 30% आजही पुराय झाले आसा. मो घालून वतात की 2020 विजन डॉक्युमेंट 2020 पर्यंत स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट खंय आसतलें कशें आसतलें ह्या संदर्भात एक नजर मारून की संबंध स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटच्या माध्यमांतल्यान संबंध गोंयचो विकास किंवा गोंयच्या सगळ्या पंचायत स्तराचेर किंवा तालुका स्तराचेर बऱ्यांतले बरें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कशें मेळटलें ह्या दृश्टीन एक नियोजन करून आमी अंमल करले आसा. की स्पोर्ट्साचो विकास करपाचो दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान की ज्या शाळेमध्ये जे प्राथमिक स्तराचेर सुद्दां आमकां फिजिकल एज्युकेशन दिवपाची गरज आसा की त्यामुळे आमी ज्या शाळेंत 90 पर्यंतचे भुरगे प्राथमिक शाळेंत आसा जर जाय की तांकां आमी एक फिजिकल एज्युकेशन टिचर दितले त्याच बरोबर जर कमी आसत जर जाय जाल्यार प्रत्येक 2 शाळा किंवा 3 शाळा कळप करून सुद्दां तांकां स्पोर्ट्साचें मार्गदर्शन जें आसा तें मेळचें ह्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान आमी सुरू केलां.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.